Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to get mods for Human Fall Flat. So what you want to do is copy the code that I put in the description, right click Human Fall Flat, click Properties, and then click Betas. And now what you want to do from here is click Enter Beta Access Code. So the code that you copied, you want to paste that into here, and then click check code, and then it should give you a notification saying that it worked, and then just click here and now click modder for modders. Now to open the browser, to open the mod thing, to get mods, you must join their group. And yeah, you have to join the Human Fall Flat group, and I don't really know how to put that in the description or anything, but you have to join their group. So, and then once you do that, go in